The number one thing I've been seeing is freaking Sabrina Carpenter everywhere. Brad Mondo put up a video saying how to do the Sabrina Carpenter haircut. I still don't know how to do anything with my hair, but I did watch the video anyway. We'll see if I feel like doing that. I don't know. But also first I feel like I've got to do the makeup. I feel like, you know, we can't be looking dead and like I just popped these 2 pimples. We can't look like that. I need to find a tutorial for that because I've literally only seen Brad Mondo's video and that didn't have makeup in it. So I do not own. So we're gonna ignore that step and go straight to concealer. I'm sure that won't mess up anything. And she just put it there. She didn't have that like this. She did it like this. Okay. And just like. Where's that going? I don't know how to do this. Wait. I think I got it. Yeah, I swear to God, I used to have a actual eyeshadow brush, but we're going back in with the exact same one that's like stuck pink. Like this brown. This is what they do, right? They mix them. And then on the outer crease, which is like... oh my gosh. Okay. Now I really look like I'm that fucking trash can guy. She like... This is so gross. How do people do this? Oh my gosh, my eyes look insane. Are we feeling insane yet? Mascara. She did do half lashes as well. Just gonna warn you right now. I don't have that. I don't even think I have my magnetic lashes I once had.
I like Takashi, call him Papi, work the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from...
Like some people go, oh yeah, I blew up for this reason. Yeah, that was my blow up moment, was failing to use magnetic lashes. So I'm a famous makeup artist. Why do I feel like I'm balding? Like there's like literal, like on my eyelashes, like literal spots where there's just no lashes. Let's the contour at the start of the video. Please, 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 don't prove I'm right. So I don't think I have any lipstick either. I have lip gloss. So what I'm gonna do is just eyeshadow my lips and go over it with lip gloss. Let's fucking go, I guess. It's something. It's something. I feel like this just made everything worse. I like took a minute to myself because those lips just weren't working. And I rubbed it all off and used like orange eyeshadow and some pink lip gloss. And we've got this, which is like slightly closer to what she had. Now we need to get to the hair because I'm getting tired of this. Alright, so watched a bit of the Armando video, like mainly the styling part. I don't have any of those pins. I don't know how to curl the back of my hair for seconds. So we're just trying to make the front look good. It's an illusion. So we're just gonna do the front bangs and
my typical sectioning, which is the halo section. So it's really just taking a circle, sort of, out of the top of the hair and leaving the rest down around the perimeter of the face.
and section it out like that. You ready? He also said like to straighten it and stuff. Brad, are you happy? Okay, so like, what, like this hair? That one.
Amazing. That section is complete. It should look just like this. Now to...
How the freak? What if I just do less hair? Like just this. Maybe I just need to like just go with... Is this dangerous? Probably.
hours later.
I cannot deal. How are we looking? Does it look the same? Just imagine a pin in this. Oh my gosh. Next time it should be a cutting video, eh? I think I have the skills. Who needs a pen when you have such good expertise? And this is about as good as we're gonna get the hair. Okay, now that the hair won't get out of my face because I curled it in towards my fucking eyeballs, the final look. I'll put a comparison right here. But yeah, so this is how to become Sabrina Carpenter in at least... Actually, it didn't even take me an hour. That's shocking. So how to become Sabrina Carpenter in under 1 hour, even if you're unexperienced. So, you're welcome. Have fun being Sabrina Carpenter. I love when we all just be the same person. Individuality is boring, and I'll see you guys next time.